Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to delete 23andMe data. First thing you need to do is to go to 23andMe.com and log in with your account. Click on the profile circle with the initials in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then scroll down to the 23andMe data section on the Settings page. Click View on the right side of this action and enter your birth date as prompt for security verification. On the next screen, you'll see an option to download your data before deletion. Just click Download if you want to keep a copy. Now finally scroll down and click on Permanently Delete Data button. You will receive a confirmation email to complete the deletion process. Just follow the instructions in the email to finalize the deletion. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.